In this video, we are going to discuss about TypeScript error. So this is a basic TypeScript error. So let's read the error first. Member button 1 implicit has an any type. Member button 1 implicit has an any type. If you will see here, I have this HTML and I have defined this template reference variable button 1, and I am reading this template reference variable using viewchild. And as you know, this button 1 should match with this key. So we have provided button 1 and we are creating our user defined variable button underscore 1. Now what TypeScript is complaining, this is having member button 1 implicitly has an any type. So what does this mean? So basically this is when we create an Angular project, we get a default configuration by the Angular CLI. So that configuration is available inside the TypeScript configuration .json file, tsconfig.json file. If you will see here, this is the default configuration of the Angular provided TypeScript configuration. So this default configuration is avoiding us to have a default value as a default type as a any, but this is not a standard project. I'm just doing the work for basic learning purpose, and I don't want to assign every time type. Like for example, I don't want to assign type like a string and something. We don't want to do that, and currently it will complain another error that we will see later. So by default currently it is taking any, so any is not supported by the TypeScript configuration in the Angular project by default. So to enable it, we should not make this strict false. It will fix this issue, but what will happen, it will also enable the lot of property false. By default it will make those property false. So we are not going to do strict false changes. Rather, we will going to create a we will going to update the property no implicit any false. So what it will do, it will allow us to take a default type as any, and we can see our error is gone away.